to end today, but how's the show for all the exhibitors as well as the visitors at IMTEX 2026? Okay, right now I have few members with me. So, are you an exhibitor or the visitor?
We are basically visitor, and we are basically from a German company called KNARR, and I am the chief representative of India.
My name is Jürgen. I come direct from Germany and from the company KNARR. We produce parts for the mold maker, and it's a pleasure to see how the Indian market is growing here on the exhibition. Today is not my best day because I slept only 2 hours after arrival, and so yes, but I'm impressed here, and this let me forget everything. So nice to be here.
This is for me the first time being at IMTEX, not of course the first time being in India, but in this show I'm the first time. I have really a good impression of that, so I see a well-organized show, so congratulations to the organizers, IMTMA, but I see also a lot of international exhibitors, some international visitors. Yeah, all the halls are crowded, and I guess it's a big success for the organizers, this IMTEX here in Bangalore.
ಇವತ್ತು ಡೇ 1 ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮುಗಿತಾ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಪಲ್ಲವಿ, ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು?
So for me, it was really amazing. As always, IMTEX never bored me at all. So we saw few of the innovations inside the stall, as well as few of that sleepless faces. But we are so much excited. They are coming from outside the India to show that Indian market as well as the Indian innovation. This is really great for us, and I'm really excited for tomorrow also. What about
Right.
you?
Correct. I feel IMTEX is where ideas and innovation and industry meet at one place. So it's a wonderful experience for both visitors and exhibitors.